Hello students, welcome to my live classroom St. Lumina's online preschool. I hope you all are well. So now let's start with me. Now I want to show my whiteboard. So let's see with me. This is my whiteboard and you all know. First I want to take blue color. Okay, so let's start with me. Students, today is, tell me, today is Thursday. Thursday. Today is Thursday and date 19th August 2021. Okay, today is Thursday and date 19 August 2021. And today I am going to discuss about EVS. That means environmental science. So let's start. Now I want to show you my pages. So let's see with me. Students, this is my page, water. Today I am going to discuss about water. You all know what is water. You all know it. Now start with me. Water. We need water. What is water? Let's see. We need water. Our body needs water to live just like air. Okay. Our body needs water to live just like air. Plants and animals also need water to live. Plants and animals also need water to live. Okay, we all can't live without water. Okay, water is very essential for us. Okay, essential for us. So without water we can't live anymore. Now in the first picture you can see it is used for drinking. The boy is drinking water. So it is, or water is used for drinking. In the second picture it is used for cooking. For cooking we need water. Look here in the picture, the woman is cooking with water. Now in the picture number 3 it is used for bathing. Okay, you can see the boy is bathing with water. So for drinking, cooking and bathing we all need water. Now I want to show my next page. So let's see with me. Look here, the man is working. It is used for watering plants. Okay, water is used for watering plants. Okay, now it is used for washing. For washing our clothes we need water. It is used for cleaning. Okay, we need water for cleaning our house. So from the first, it is used for drinking, it is used for cooking, it is used for bathing, it is used for watering plants, it is used for washing, it is used for cleaning, and so on. Okay, clear students? Now I want to show my next page. So let's see with me. Yes, this is my next page. Where do we get water from? We all need water, but where do we get water from? Let's see. We get water from many sources. We get water from many sources like rain, river, lakes, ponds and springs. From where? Rain, river, lakes, ponds and springs. Okay? It reaches our homes with the help of pipes and taps. It reaches our homes with the help of pipes and taps. Look here, some sources of water: river, lake, well and tube well. Okay? We also get water from under the ground. Under the ground, water is stored. We get water from there. This water is taken out by digging wells or by tube wells. Okay? Do you see tube wells? We also get water from under the ground. This water is taken out by digging wells and by tube wells. Okay, students, I hope you all understand this page. So I am going to my next page. Yes, this is my next page. In our house, we have tanks to store water. In our house, we have tanks to store water. In the same way, there are very big tanks in colonies to store water. We also use buckets and vessels to store water. We need water we need water to live and for other activities. We need water to live and for other activities. Water is colorless and shapeless. It is also tasteless. It takes the shape of the container in which it is put. Again, in our house, we have tanks to store water. In the same way, there are very big tanks in colonies to store water. We also use buckets and vessels to store water. We need water to live and for other activities. Water is colorless and shapeless. It is also tasteless. It takes the shape of the container in which it is put. Now save water. How can we save water? Let's see. We should not waste water. We should not waste water. We should close the tap after using water. We should use a bucket and a mug for bathing and washing our cars. Okay? We should use kitchen water for watering our plants. Again, we should not waste water. We should close the tap after using water. We should use a bucket and a mug for bathing and washing our cars. We should use kitchen water for watering our plants. Okay? Now next page. Let's see with me. Yes, this is my next page. We should always drink clean water and should not throw garbage into rivers, ponds and lakes. We should always drink clean water and should not throw garbage into rivers, ponds and lakes. Okay, clear student? Reuse water and save it for all. Mind it. Reuse water and save it. Remember, we need water to live. We get water from rivers, lakes and under the ground. Water is used in many ways. We should reuse water and save it. Now students, look here. Fill in the blanks. Look here. Some sentences are given below but incomplete. You all have to complete it with me. Number 1, we need to live. What will be the answer? Clothes or water? What can I write here? Do you know? We need water. I want to change my pen color. And now I want to take red color. So write with me. We need water. We need water to live. We store water in wells or tanks. What can I write here? Tanks. Tanks. We store water in tanks. We get fresh water from rivers or seas. What will be the answer? Do you know? If you know it, please write the answer on live chat space. Okay? What will be the answer? We get fresh water from rivers or seas. What will be the answer? Rivers. Now number 4. Water is colorless or colorful? What will be the answer? Water is colorless. C-O-L-O-U-R, colorless. L-E-S-S, colorless. Water is colorless. Now number 5. We should drink dirty or clean water. What will be the answer? Dirty or clean? Do you know? We should drink, yes, clean water. Okay? We need water to live. We store water in tanks. We get fresh water from rivers. Water is colorless. We should drink clean water. These are the fill in the blanks that I have completed. Okay, students? I hope you all understand my class. Okay? So students, if you like my class, please hit the like button and share it to your friends and relatives so that they can get the chance to join my class. Okay? And today I just want to tell you bye. We will meet again tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Okay? Bye students.